Hi everyone, I am the Winter Bunny and today I'll be showing you how to make Floam. So let's get started. You will need some PVA glue, you can use clear glue or white glue, some activator, read the description for what type of activator you'll need, some foam beads, and something to mix in and something to mix with. So start by pouring in as much PVA glue as you want, then add a few drops of activator and mix well. Repeat this process until it is only a little bit sticky. Once you have this kind of texture, just add a little bit more activator and then start kneading it with your hands. This will be quite sticky, so make sure you have some activator with you. Now you can go ahead and add in some foam beads into a bowl. And now you can dip your slime into your beads. Do be careful since this is a really messy process. The slime is ready once it's no longer sticky, but if you do add a lot of beads and it's still quite sticky, just add a few drops of activator and any loose beads will fall out. And now you're done. So you can add some food coloring now if you want. I added some glitter in afterwards because if I put it in while making the slime, it would be really messy in the bowl. Now you can enjoy some ASMR. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye!